조금 엿다시 돌려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 난 날려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당길 보더라도 흔들릴래 나를 기다리고 있는지 잘 모르겠어 네 맘도 내 맘도 사실 난 매일 너를 생각해 조금 더 나를 위해
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make 해물 순두부찌개. It's a Korean silken tofu soup with seafood. So I actually made Korean silken tofu soup recipe with beef and kimchi. So check it out right here, and I will also put link down below too. But if you really want to make with the seafood, go ahead and try this recipe. It's so delicious. So yeah, let's get started. First, go ahead and chop one large spring onion and separate the white part and the dark green part. If you don't have these large spring onions, then go ahead and use 3 to 4 regular green onions. I also chopped 3 cloves of garlic because we cannot make Korean food without garlic. Now bring a medium-sized thick bottom pot. So today I am using tukbaegi. It's a Korean clay pot. So this is actually traditional, the pot that we are using when we're making a lot of soups and stew in Korea. You can find this actually in Amazon or online. I will put the link down below. If you want to check it out, your local Korean grocery store, definitely check it out, okay? But if you don't have this pot, no worries. Any thick bottom pot, that will work. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, chopped garlic, and the white part of the green onion. Go ahead and turn the heat to medium high and saute all of them together. And this is how we create this beautiful chili oil on surface of silken tofu soup. When you smell the aroma and the garlic and the green onion got a little, like wilted a little bit, then go ahead and add a half cup of chopped kimchi. So kimchi is optional, but for my taste, I always put kimchi in my silken tofu soup. Cook everything together until kimchi is softened. Then go ahead and add 1 1/4 cup of water. Yes, I'm not using a broth today. I really wanted to make this a super duper easy recipe for you guys. So I'm just using water, but we're not gonna miss not even a little bit of a flavor. Trust me, it's gonna be flavor bomb silken tofu soup. Season the soup with tablespoon of Korean soup soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce too, but Korean soup soy sauce is really a killer when you're making Korean soup or stew. And tablespoon of fish sauce. This is why we didn't have to use a broth, because fish sauce, just the bomb anchovy flavor to the soup, the umami bomb is so delicious in here. Increase the heat to high and bring the soup to boil. When the soup is boiling, go ahead and add 6 ounces of seafood. So today I'm using frozen seafood mix, but you can use whatever seafood you can find. If you're lucky, you can use like the really fresh one. I envy you if you can, but frozen seafood works perfect too. And go ahead and add 14 ounces of silken tofu. If you can find Korean silken tofu that in a tube, that's amazing. But this regular silken tofu from the grocery store, regular grocery store, it works just fine. You can break down the tofu as much as you like, but I like my tofu to be like, kind of little big chunk. That's that's my personal preference, but you can break down if you want to. Bring soup to hard boil. Then go ahead and add the green part of the green onion and crack an egg right on the top of the soup. Let them all boil together about a minute and it's ready to serve. In Korea, we like to serve this silken tofu soup boiling like this, a hard boiling to the table, and that's how we like it. But if you prefer, let them kind of calm down a little bit and then serve for the safety wise, because you have little toddlers, so you don't feel comfortable doing it, that's completely fine too. But if you just actually just doing it, like for yourself or friends, you need to serve this boiling hot to the table to feel that authentic, what Koreans actually eat on the table. Enjoy the sundubujigae, the silken tofu soup with freshly cooked warm rice and maybe some other side dishes. 간다 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 간다. Okay, so Jacob is not home right now. Hanyul and I have been filming this video today, so we're gonna taste it together. Okie dokie. Usually I use Korean silken tofu, that from Korean market, but this regular silken tofu from regular grocery store also works too, so go ahead and try.
Oh my goodness.
How often do you eat silken tofu soup?
Not very often.
I mean,
this makes me want to eat it more often.
아이씨. 뜨거워. Oh, by the way, I just shared how to cook this Korean purple rice too, so go ahead and check that video out. Jacob and I made it together. Some reason that video didn't get much love, so we're kind of like, little sad, so please watch it.
Oh my gosh.
맛있다. 이거는 육수 안 넣고 그냥 물만 넣고 끓였는데 맛있어.
육수가 뭐예요?
육수? 스톡? 브록? 넣으면 더 맛있겠지. 근데 피쉬 소스 넣으면 안 넣대. 피쉬 소스가 이미 엔초비 브러쉬야. 그거 물에다 넣으면. Oh my god, it's so good. Guys, try the recipe. I actually do have beef and kimchi silken tofu soup too. So if you have beef lover, that can also switch it to chicken or pork. Try that. Or seafood. This is amazing. So guys, if you like my silken tofu soup sundubujigae recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung guest.
And Hanyul Kim.
And this is Asian at home. Oh, sorry, I got my rice on my tongue. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Mwah.